सांग मला.
आज तुम्ही हांगा कितें जमला सर?
ते आम्ही ती एक कंप्लेंट दिल्ली न्ही आक्षी पुलीस स्टेशन
हय
टू रजिस्टर एन FIR आनी तातूंत 224 माल प्रॅक्टिसीस म्हणून आहा ते रजिस्टर करपाक आमी सांगलेले. सो ती FIR अजून रजिस्टर जावंक ना. सो मागीर आमकां प्रोविजन अंडर द प्रोविजन ऑफ BNSS वी हॅव टू गो टू SP. So we have made a complaint to SP not today about the thing, and we have told them to bring the chats which are very important between those two people. If you don't get those chats, then everything will not be clear. When you get those two chats of the two people, WhatsApp chats and those chats of the that group of the university, and we have heard that the report which has been submitted today, they have tried to cover up the matter. So we want that those chats should be brought and those investigation should be made on that chats.
ताका सस्पेंड केला जाल्यार
सस्पेंड केला मागीर ते चॅट्स कोण हाडटलो? इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आमी म्हणटा ते चॅट्साचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावंक जाय. अदरवायज नथींग वील हॅपन. नाल्यार दे वील म्हणजे तेजेर पड्डो घालतलो ते.
म्हळ्यार FIR जावपाकूच जाय तेजें ना.
FIR we are after 2 days we are going in court to register an FIR. We had registered before also on GMC FIR. That is closure report has come. That is we are opening it again on the doctor. Same incident had occurred in GMC in 2011.
Sharif, if you see the process, the way it has happened after you filed a complaint, मागीर युनिवर्सिटीनी जाल्यार वायस चान्सलरान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतले. He has tried to say whatever he had to say. How do you feel?
First the chancellor, vice chancellor saw that nothing was there. Then this and then it was suspended after our pressure was there. Now it is simple that they want to cover up the story to save GU's face, Goa University's face. So the executive members also, I don't understand why they have not given this report to everyone after 48 hours. They should have given it. They had promised to give it within 48 hours. Now once the report is, why is hiding that report? It should have been given to us. We would have challenged that report otherwise. We don't know what is there. We don't have those resources to get those checks and all. If we do, we will go to court and have those resources and get the checks. They are giving time for that person to destroy the evidence and harboring the criminals.
You feel that the university is still trying to...
That is what, no, he had promised us to give a report. At least they should have given me the report. But they have not given the report. You should ask them why they have not given that 48-hour report to us.
तुमच्या कंप्लेनाचेर कितें जालें?
आमच्या कंप्लेनाचेर काय जावंक ना म्हणून आमी SP कडे गेले अंडर BNS. वी हॅव अ प्रोविजन आफ्टर 48 hours. If they don't register, we have to go to SP. We have gone. Now after 2 days, we will go to court to the special judge. Then the judge will call them and inquire about everything, and then will come how they will save their face. Then we will see.
आज एक सोशल मीडियाचेर पोस्ट पयलो की RSS ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हटलां तुमचें. सो
I am not connected to any RSS organization, and we are having all 4-5 members. I think they are Catholic also. We don't believe in such thing. RSS is maybe a good organization. We have nothing to do. And some people who are that connected with they are paid. I think that one man is paid and he is putting some allegations of RSS on me. So if I am not connected with anywhere with RSS, that you might be knowing. I'm a neutral man everywhere. I'm not connected to any political party nor any RSS, nothing.
सर ते फाल्यां संकल्पाची कोर्टान हियरिंग आहा कशी
That is the tomorrow at 2:30. That is official. That is coming into separate aspect.
Okay.
आता तो ह्यो सांग उरतालो RSS म्हटल्यार न्हू एका काशिनाथ शेटे RSS म्हणून येवंक ना हे अवेरनेस केला आनी गोंया खातीर येयला पळय ते आमची हे आतां जायत्यो केसी जाता आनी अवेरनेस करता आमी तो पेपर वर्क करून कोर्टाक वचोन पुलीस कंप्लेनां करून आनी हे पळय भायर सुट्यांक टिका करतात RSS म्हणून तेणी ग्रावंड लेवलार येवन हकीकत कितें आहा पळय ती पळोवपाची ही टिका करपाची ना टिका करपाची.
We are sending him also a defamation notice, and we will see him that he is prosecuted under 217 and 212.
तुमचें
We
नांव
will
तरी
see. हाँ?
तुमचें नांव खंय तरी हे करपाक पळयता.
माझे आमचें नांव बेश्ट वी आर एक्टिव्ह. आमी कोणाचें आनी आमी बरे हेका लागून करता. तुका जर प्रॉब्लम आहा तुवें सारकें काडूंक जाय न्हय. यू कॅन गो टू RSS and ask I'm the member or no, or anyone here. बेश्टेच कोणाकूय ताकाय RSS, जॉनाकूय RSS, डॉमिनिका इट डज नॉट कम न्ही. तूं कितें पेटोवन घालपाक सोदता. वी आर नॉट ऑन दॅट सब्जेक्ट मॅटर. वी विल सेंड हिम अ डिफॅमेशन नोटीस वॉट वी आर थिंकिंग.
ना सांगूंक सोदता म्हणजे कितें आयज पळय आयज आमचे भुरगे शिंकतात युनिवर्सिटीचे हें करतात आनी तांकां आयज सर्टिफिकेट मेळ्ळी हें तर आमी आयज सारकें दाखोयना हेचेर हें करून प्रॉब्लम आहा पळय तो सॉल्व जायना पूण आमचे भुरगे ह्या गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचे शिकोवन जो पळय ते सर्टिफिकेशन मेळतले ते भायर गेल्यात ते म्हणटले तुमच्या गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचा व्हॅल्यूच ना रँकींग आमकां
रँकींग कमी जातले दॅट इज
मागीर-
करेक्ट नो सो यू शूड क्लीन द युनिवर्सिटी अँड कीप द रँकींग दॅट इज वॉट इज
Okay.
थँक्यू